future trucking moguls of America. If you are ready to drive your trucking business to success, you are in the right place. Today, we dive into one of the crucial aspects of the trucking industry, the process agent. Now, I bet you are wondering, what is a process agent and why should I care? Buckle up and let's hit the road. But wait a sec. Please give this video a like, press the subscribe button, and ring the notification bell so you can always receive information designed to help your business succeed by saving time and money. A process agent is like your business's personal mailman for legal documents. In the trucking world, every time your commercial truck crosses state lines, it has to adhere to various state laws. So, imagine you are based in Texas, but you have got a delivery in Oregon. If there are any legal hiccups while you are in Oregon, you will need someone there to receive those legal documents on your behalf. Think of it this way: you would not want to miss an invite to an exclusive party, right? Similarly, you do not want to miss a legal notice. Having a process agent ensures you are in the know, no matter where your trucks are. Let's sprinkle in some fun facts. Did you know that over 3 million truckers transport goods across America every year? That is a lot of wheels on the road. And here is another nugget. The trucking industry contributes about $645 billion to our economy annually. With stakes that high, you can understand why being on top of legal matters is paramount. So how do you choose the right process agent for your business? It's simple. Visit legalregistration.com. One of our experts can assist you in finding the right agent that meets your exact business needs. You can even get started by calling our organization for help right now at 877-955-7111. Remember, you want someone reliable to handle those crucial documents. Our organization knows the ins and outs of the trucking industry way more than our competitors. Also, do you have any questions about understanding what a process agent is? If so, leave your comment below so one of our gurus can help you out. Do not forget to like the video, hit the subscribe button, and ring the notification bell so you can stay updated with tips and tricks to grow your business to maximum profitability.